Hello, my name is Shahina. Today's video I will show how you can install WordPress from your Bluehost account. So before I start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be get notified when I upload video. So let's start. Go to your browser, search here bluehost.com. Then you can see here the login option. Click on login. Here you can see the username and password. Write here the email or domain name that you gave when you bought the domain. So I use my domain or email, and here you can write your password, then login. This is your Bluehost account. This is the dashboard. This is your profile. From here you can log out and go to the my site. Then from here you can install your WordPress. Click on add site, then use WordPress. You can write your website site name, my WordPress website site tagline, you can add it. Then next, from here you can choose your domain, select your domain. From optional you can add your subdomain, so I select the main domain. Then next, so this is the congratulations, WordPress installed successfully. Your WordPress install address successfully. Congratulations, your WordPress installed successfully. And this is the congratulations, your WordPress installed successfully. And this is the username, password, your WordPress URL, and your admin URL. So from here you can just copy and paste here. This is your password. You can give this your client. You can give this username password your client. You can save it. For login you can use this username and password. Then login. You can see this is the WordPress dashboard. So by this simple way you can install your WordPress from your Bluehost account. And if you want to create new user, then if you want to create your own username password, then go to your WordPress, log into your WordPress. From here you can see this is our WordPress dashboard. From user you can add new user. From here you can add new user. From here you can type password. If you want to send the notification your admin email, so you can click it or not. Then this is the administrator role, your admin, then admin user, visit your site. From here you can log out. From here you can write your new username and password. Then login. We can see I can access by my new username and password. So after install WordPress, go to the settings, then permalinks. Then click on it, post name, then save change. And visit your site. This is the WordPress, fresh WordPress. So by this way you can install WordPress using Bluehost. So thanks for watching.